In today's world, a skilled workforce is essential for economic prosperity and economic development. We've been working diligently here over the last few years to service both existing companies and the companies we are trying to attract to Genesee County with the kinds of skills that they are looking for. A few years ago, we started an 11-week advanced manufacturing training program, which was designed to both benefit the people who participated in the program, as well as demonstrate that we can do the kind of high-tech training essential for advanced manufacturers. In our 11-week boot camp for advanced manufacturing, we introduced the participants to the chip-making process as well as solar fabrication processes. We did this through using the resources of the Rochester Institute of Technology and Genesee Community College. Again, we try to build on our local assets in terms of the kinds of things we can do to benefit the population.
My name is Thompson. Currently I work at a company called Quality Vision International, which is part of the metrology industry. Metrology would be the science of measurement, and my position there is an assembler calibrator. We build very large, expensive pieces of measuring equipment. They use automation and optics to take video images and measurements of basically anything consumed by human beings, from the silicon industry to food to the airline industry, pretty much everything that we touch. I'm a graduate of the Genesee County Economic Development Center's Advanced Manufacturing Technology program. The biggest thing I took from that program was I learned a lot of things about myself that I didn't know, a lot of skills that I had that I didn't even realize that I had. And I owe a lot of my success now to those skills that I learned in that program. When I started this program, I was unemployed. Unfortunately, the part of the industry that I worked in was collapsing and they no longer needed me. And it took a while to get myself together from that. And this program really honestly gave me the confidence to get back out there and know that I had skills that I was not using and was able to showcase them to these employers. And it worked for me immediately.
Looking at Stephen's story, this is the kind of program that we can replicate on demand. And we offer that to companies that we are trying to bring to Genesee County.